There we go. Take a picture straight on of each one. I think you can get it. And then, I don't know, whatever. I'll tell the guy they're online.
You know what? This is video, so I have to make a still. It's going to be good quality because it's good lighting in here.
Video, there you go.
But I'll make a still of it, a video
And
still.
a still shot.
Yeah, still shot.
So, I mean, I'm just trying to help the guy. What do I care, you know? But, I mean, the artist did take pictures of it. I mean, he did take pictures. He painted this.
Detail.
Yeah. I'm like, he doesn't give a shit.
It's nice, though.
Well, yeah, they're good. And you are also trying to sell your own ideas. You have to James. This piece will be reattached. Yeah. In the future, though, not now. Yeah, it doesn't matter. This, that, our house. It's a her place. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, Dan, you're right.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's go.